All right, students. So this question is from the topic of kinematics, motion in straight line. The question is slightly mathematical, but you can expect such a question in NEET examination as well as JEE mains and also your school examination. Or you preparing for any board, AP Physics, IB board. Let's talk about this question first. So this is the equation x is equal to 9t square minus t cube. It links the position of a body with the time in seconds. What are you supposed to find? You have to find the position of the body when it attains its maximum speed, but it should be along the positive x-axis direction. Okay. So let's talk about, so we have to maximize speed, right? So if this is the equation, the speed is dx by dt. More of instantaneous is given by 18t minus 3t square. So you should know how to take derivative, right, for this question. Now we have to maximize this. Let's put it equal to 0 and we get 3 as common. 6t minus t, 6 minus, so 3t, 6 minus t is equal to 0. So t is equal to 0 and t is equal to 6 seconds. Let's take a double derivative to do the double derivative test, right? So let's take a double derivative. We will get the derivative as 18 minus 6t. So if t is equal to 0, the double derivative comes out to be 18, right? You substitute the value here. This is a double derivative test. You must know the double derivative test. Very important learning. Okay, the second is t is equal to 6 seconds, which I put here in the double derivative. I get 18 minus 6 into 6, right? So this obviously is going to be the negative. So if you get a negative, if the double derivative comes out to be negative, the t corresponds to maxima. So at t is equal to 6 seconds, you will get your maximum speed. Okay, so you will get your maximum speed here, and you have to find the position of the body at t is equal to 6 seconds, right? So if you put the value here, x will come out to be 9 into, so t is equal to 6 corresponds to v maxima, and I'm finding the position when the velocity is maximum, right? So x is equal to 9 into 6 square minus 6 cube. So this is 6 square. 9 minus 6 is equal to 36 into 3 is equal to 108 meter per second. That's your position, sorry. Okay, it's not the velocity. The velocity can be found out, maximum velocity, if you put t is equal to 6 in this expression, right? 18 into 6 minus 3 into 36. So I hope you understood the question. What was the question all about? So if I just put 18 into 6 minus 3 into 6 square, I will get equal to 0. So the maximum velocity I can attain is actually 0, which means I come at rest at that point, instantaneously to be able to achieve this. Okay, so the velocity maxima is occurring at t is equal to 6, and the displacement that corresponds to t is equal to 6 is this. I have a playlist available of motion in straight line. It is applicable to AP Physics, IB Board, Cambridge, AQA, CBSE, NEET, JEE Mains, everything. So you could perhaps go and look at that playlist and you will find some insightful questions pertaining to motion in straight line. Thank you very much for your time today. Please don't forget to subscribe my channel. You will see some amazing questions being solved on this. Thank you.